Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. This video is in collaboration and sponsored by Lookfantastic. They've kindly sponsored me for the last 2 monthly beauty haul videos, which I'm really grateful for, and I get to choose products that I want myself, which is so good. You will see in these hauls products that I've fallen in love with and I'm just stocking up on, or new releases, or products that I just fancy trying. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts about what I'm showing you, and if you've tried any of them before, particularly the ones that I haven't tried, I'd love to hear. You'll find all details related to these products down below in my description, as well as any offers Lookfantastic currently have running, and you will see my discount code, which is DiaryLF, which will entitle you up to 25% off. It changes depending on what you're buying. It can be used sometimes on limited edition beauty boxes as well, but sometimes it's like 5%, sometimes it's 20%. It's not a one set percentage, but all the products you see in this video you can use my discount code towards to get a little bit off, plus any sales items you can use the discount code and it'll still work. So yeah, you'll find it all down there, as well as all my other discount codes and any offers and any giveaways I've got currently running. You're welcome to take a look there. I did start filming this 10 minutes ago, but my camera went to sleep. I was like, what the heck's going on? I didn't press record, so I'm having to do it again. I've already opened up one of the things that I wanted to share with you. Anyway, face halo. Oh, I love these. Really gorgeous cleansing pads they are. There's 3 in here. I'll pop all the prices on the screen as we go along as well. I've got some of these downstairs. We've got a bathroom downstairs. My daughter absolutely loves these as well. We've got a little box in the window and it's got all the cleansing cloths, you know, like the magic cloths and things, and it's got a few of these pads in. Guaranteed, these pads go first. We just prefer them over the cleansing cloths. Nothing wrong with the cleansing cloths, but I don't know, it's just something nice about having a pad. Maybe it's, do they work better? Maybe they do. Maybe, I don't know, maybe they do work better. But I thought I would stock up on a couple of more because they just go fast and we do really like them. Inside the bag you get a little leaflet there and it tells you how to use them. So yeah, you just wet it, remove your makeup, pop them in a washing machine or hand wash them, and then let them dry, and then you can reuse them. So they are really good. Yeah, I love these. To go with it, I've got a cleanser. This is a Korres gel cleanser. It contains salicylic acid. It's to unclog pores and balance your skin, and there's 200 mils here. Now, I didn't know Lookfantastic had quite a big selection of Korres products on their website, which really excites me. I've got another product from this brand in there as well. It says a complete pore refining cleanser that removes makeup and impurities, declogs and reduces the appearance of pores, and reduces excess oil to improve overall texture and tone for a smooth, clear complexion. Ideal for oily combination skins. I've got combination skin, my daughter's got oily, so I think we could both use this actually. Does it have a smell? Korres products. Oh, well, the body lotions and the shower gels smell amazing anyway. Oh, it smells nice. It smells of fruit. Oh, it does smell nice. It smells of fruit. Oh, I'm getting it all on my nose now. Oh, that is really nice. Oh, I'm making a mess. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, excited to try that. So the other Korres product then, I've already tried this. It's the only item in the box that I've had a proper feel and a try. I couldn't resist. It's a red grape from the red grape range, tinted daily sunscreen and face cream, anti-aging and anti-spot, high protection, SPF 50, and it's skin and sea conscious, and it contains grape stem cells, and there's 50 mils there. Now this is quite warm, but because it's a tinted moisturiser, it does blend out lovely. I'm going to have to get rid of that. Oh, what a waste! I'll just reduce it a little bit. There. So you can see. It does blend out nicely. It just gives you a hint of a tint. You know, sometimes if you put a foundation on your face and it's the wrong colour, it just looks really fake and it just doesn't look right, does it? With a tinted sunscreen moisturiser, it just blends into your skin, gives you a bit of a glow, and yeah, I really like it. It is really nice. I can't wait to see how that holds up on sweatier days as the summer goes on. In the UK anyway. Grape stem cells. Tinted sunscreen face cream. This is a staple for me. It's La Roche-Posay, and this is Anthelios 50 Plus Protection, Visible Easy Application. This is anti-shine. There's 75 mils here. I keep these in my handbag because unless you've got like an 8-hour long SPF, then you're going to have to top up your sunscreen every couple of hours throughout the day. I wear makeup, so applying sunscreen on top of my makeup is going to have to be a spray, or else it's going to look a right mess. So these are really handy, really handy, just to, mainly on my forehead. It helps with my forehead sweats. Well, not helps with the sweating, but when my forehead sweats, then I'm getting rid of the SPF, and then the sun gets in, pigmentation starts. For the last couple of years, I've been using this as a top-up throughout the day. But yeah, a spray is really handy if you like to wear makeup and you want to keep protected. Next, I've got some lashes. These are Ardell Wispy Lashes, and it's got the duo glue there. I love this brand. Been using their eyelashes for years again. I've bought these before, so know I really like them. I really like the fact that they wing out. That's the style that I prefer to go for. Sometimes I have to trim a little bit. It depends, but because they're so narrow in the corners, it doesn't really bother me. But when they're longer than that, then I have to trim them. But yeah, the wispies, they just look beautiful. They look nice and fluttery. The band is thin as well, so really great. If you're not wearing an eyeliner or a liquid eyeliner and you just press it onto your natural lash line, then yeah, you can't tell you've got lashes on. Well, besides the fact that you've got long fluttery lashes, but you can't see the band then. So yeah, so I've just stocked up on them. Then I went for something for my hair. I got a Denman brush. I haven't had one of these in years, and I'm talking not since my late teens when I trained as a hairdresser. I remember having this in my kit when I went to college, and yeah, I haven't had one since. I've used them in hair salons when I used to work in a hair salon. I haven't done it for a long time. But yeah, this is the original styler. And I've seen it a few times on Lookfantastic, and I just thought, do you know what, I am going to get it this time. It's so smart, it's so retro. But it's so good for blow drying. Really great. You can see it's got a slight curve there, so if you're blow drying, it smooths the cuticles and you can sort of curl it under if you like that sort of style, or curl out as well. It's just a nice gentle curve. It's just really great as a blow dry brush. My brush that I use is just, it's just years old, and I should have chucked it out years ago. So I did definitely need an upgrade, and yeah, I can't wait to start using that on my hair. Next is something luxurious. Oh my gosh, and it smells amazing. You can't see it because of this. I'll take it off. It's the NYX dry oil. I can never say it, so there you go. The Prodigies. I don't know, it's a dry oil, but it's a neroli one. A neroli one. A neroli is one of my favourite ever since. And yeah, it's a multi-purpose dry oil for face, body and hair. I never use it for my hair, but it nourishes, repairs and beautifies. And yeah, there's 100 mils here. It's a spray. I just love them. I've got a few of these, different ones. I've got a floral one, I've got a shimmer one, I've got little mini ones. I always take the mini ones, the shimmer mini ones with me on holiday. I mentioned this in a previous video. Because I wear fake tan in the summer, and if I go abroad, then my skin, if I don't lock in hydration, it turns into tiger loaf stripes all over my legs mainly, and sometimes on my arms. If I'm out for the day, I come back, have a shower, I tend to put one of these oils on because it smells amazing but really seeps into my skin and leaves my skin feeling really nice and smooth. Oils are hit and miss with me, but this one, because it's a dry oil, it's not tacky, it doesn't stick to everything that you walk past if you're wearing it, so it's a really gorgeous product. And the fact that it's neroli, so this is like my nighttime perfume as well if I'm out for the night, and oh, I absolutely love it. Yeah, you're not going to see much, it just looks like an oil. But the smell, it's pure neroli, pure neroli. It blends in really quickly, really nicely on top of my tinted moisturiser there. It just feels nice and soft, and it smells amazing. So this is my new gorgeous summer beauty fave. Then Iborian. Iborian is a Korean brand that does amazing BB and CC creams. Oh, the water cream is stunning. They just do amazing products. And I wanted to try this. This is a blur stick, a pink blur stick. Ooh, wrong way around. There. So I don't know what this is like because I haven't heard anyone talk about this. Smoothing skincare stick. Smooths skin and blurs pores. I've got large pores. I don't have acne anymore. Well, I say that over the last couple of months. I get the odd spot now and again. I've got one there. Just out of the blue, it's happening. But I've got really large pores. Today I'm wearing Benefit Professional from last month's Lookfantastic beauty haul, which is one of my favourite primers. It just blurs and fills them in, and yeah, makeup on top sits nicely. Always interested in trying blurring products. So it looks like a little lip balm. It is. It's literally like a little lip balm. Let's try it. Right, can you see there? Can you see there? My pores on my hand. Okay. Hopefully this will work on the camera. If I go back and forth, there. Can you see a difference? You're seeing this before I get to see anything. It's definitely blurred the pores. It's mattified them. So let's see if it does work on my massive pores on my nose. Then a lipstick I absolutely adore. It's by Maybelline. It's the Superstay Vinyl Ink 125 Keen. I bought 3 of them last year in different shades. I absolutely love the shade Cheeky, which is a gorgeous sort of pinky nude. These lipsticks go on glossy, but they are super, super long lasting. Really, really long lasting. It looks stunning. I've got a bright red one as well. I can't remember the name of that one. And then I've got more of a like a rosy colour one as well, which is really pretty. But I fancied this one because it's not quite red, but it's like a burnt red. I'll try it on my hand. Oh yeah, yeah, gorgeous. So it's a glossy lip. Really happy with that shade as well. Just my colour. Lastly, I chose a product from By Terry, and this is new. This is Brightening CC Illuminizer. It's a highlighter brush, Radiant Touch with rose extract. The packaging is as always is gorgeous. I'm obsessed with their hyaluronic range. Face powders, absolutely beautiful. I've got a CC blush in this wand style as well, which is really pretty. Very subtle. But when I saw this, I thought, oh, all right, I'm going to have to try it. The packaging is just beautiful, isn't it? It's so, so pretty. Okay, comes, look, so you got the brush there. Although saying that, with the blush, I end up getting the product out and then putting it on my hand, and then either using my fingers or using a sponge just to blend it in. Find I don't really like using this brush. No, it's not coming yet. Where is it? Pumping away. Oh, I shouldn't really say that, should I? No. Okay, right. That took a few pumps to get that going. So that's what it looks like. Let's blend that on my hand there. Oh, that looks pretty. It's very thin. Oh, that is really pretty. That is really, really pretty. It looks like it's going to be a very subtle sort of dewy glowing highlighter. Yeah, it's really, really nice. It's a nice natural sort of glow to it. It contains 96% skincare ingredients. So it's skincare with a nice natural sort of universal glow. So there's that. So those are all the products that I chose for the May beauty haul in collaboration with Lookfantastic. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the products I've chosen this month. Have you tried any of them? But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.